Writing the ads of a PPC campaign is one of the most challenging yet crucial parts. The language and way that an ad is written can heavily influence whether a user clicks on your ad or not. In this video, we share our 5 top tips for writing the perfect PPC ad. Firstly, you want to make sure that your ads are user-focused. You need to put yourself in the user's shoes and think about how they think and what they would most likely click on. Think language, tone, and related buzzwords. We recommend trying to sell the outcome of a click to your site. Say you sell hair curlers. You could use terms like bouncy curls or hello volume in your ads. Secondly, it's time to get all James Bond 007. It's time to spy on your competitors. You should actively watch the ad copy of your competitors and what they are using, as it can reveal some pretty beneficial tricks. For example, if you see your rival hair curling company continuously using ads like the hair wow factor, it could be because this particular ad performs really well. Thirdly, spread out, use all of the ad space. Google responsive search ads provide an advertiser with 15 headlines and 4 descriptions. They limit the headlines to a character limit of 30 and descriptions to 90. These are rotated with 3 headlines showing at once. Let's say your keyword is hairstyling. You could fill the 30 character limit by upgrading this to expert hairstyling tools. Fourth, you want to emotionally trigger your audience and not in a mean way. Make your audience feel something with your PPC written ads. For example, you could use words in your ads that depict an emotion like happy hair, happy you, or style for a smile. Fifth, and our last tip for writing the perfect PPC ad is to stand out. Put emphasis on what makes your business, service, or product valuable to your customer. Let's go back to our hair curler company example. To provide value, you could create ads like salon quality, simpler price, or bring the salon home. That's our 5 top tips for writing the perfect PPC ad. If you're looking for a dynamic PPC agency to sculpt your next results-driven campaign, speak to one of the Raw digital marketing team today. That's our 5